No, no, what you do to me, between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Y'all, I always order a burrito and they always get my order wrong, like every single time. Can I do the chicken burrito with only chicken and cheese? Oh, and a large sweet tea extra ice. She always has an attitude and it's like annoying. But I heard her say last time that she put her 2 weeks in. But baby, it's been past 2 weeks, so why are you still working here? Can I get an avocado ranch? Okay, y'all. I have been eating all my Chick-fil-A sandwiches, my fries. I cannot eat Chick-fil-A anymore without this. But keep in mind, it makes my stomach hurt all the time, and it makes me want to poop after I'm finished eating. So, eat at your own risk. Okay, I literally have a few what's going on? I'm like in the shade right now. I have a few seconds to eat. People are already standing at the door. If you don't know, I like to be the first person, probably at anything, at the store, everywhere, so. Okay, I'm out of the salon, not the salon. I'm out of the nail shop. Ugh. Now, I'm gonna go to Walgreens really quick and get some stuff. And then I'm gonna go, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and get my eyebrows. Well, I'm gonna go to Walgreens real quick, get some stuff. And then I'm gonna head to the mall real quick to get my eyebrows done. And then what am I gonna do? Every time I come here, I feel bad because they charge me for the wrong, like, they charge me a lesser amount. But I'm like, should I say something or no? Like, I have no idea. But I still tipped. But, like, I didn't say anything. So I just, like, ran to my car. Because, you know, sometimes they be chasing you out if you don't pay the right amount. So I just hurried up and got in my car. But right now, we're going to Walgreens. Okay, I'm at the, okay, you can't see me. But I'm literally going to run in here and run back out because there's, like, a lot of people here. I forget it's summertime. So, and I'm looking crazy because my hair is not done yet. So.
આપણે તો ફેમિલી જોઈને એકબીજાને બતાવ્યું છે મેં કીધું રાઈટ હવે છોકરાઓ જ્યારે એમની રીતે તૈયાર થાય ને એમની રીતે કે એ પ્રમાણે આપણે આગળ વધીશું મેં કીધું જો અમારે બિલકુલ.
Okay, so obviously I ended up going to the mall first. And then now we're headed to Walgreens. I'm gonna swing back home and use the bathroom. And then we're going to go get our hair done. So that's exciting. And then after that, I'm probably gonna, if my sister's off, if my mom and sister are both not doing anything, I'll take, well, my mom can take me to Ulta. I need to shave my legs tonight because I have like these booty shorts on and my legs are super hairy. I don't care though. It's hot. Let me go. Okay, currently I'm in Walgreens now, finally. They're playing music, so let me talk to you fast. I'm gonna get one of these, even though the beauty supply has them for like $1, but I'm gonna get this size. I probably don't even need it because I'm about to get my hair done, but when I'm like working, I need this. And it's hot outside, so I'm gonna need to put my hair up some so it can stay off of my neck. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and stock up on some toothpaste because I used my last bit this morning. This is my favorite toothpaste right here, the Radiant Mint. I just wish like it was a bigger like tube, I guess. I guess I'm gonna stick to what I know. Should I get something to whiten my teeth? Has anybody tried this? It's only $10, so.
Customer service needed in the dental department.
Get for you.
Can I get this one?
Sure.
Okay, they're pretty stocked up. But I've heard there's like shortages and stuff. Let's stock up on some just in case, because I don't want to be caught lacking with this particular product. Do you guys still use Honey Pop? Okay, I'm gonna stock back up on these and then these because I ran out of this, and then these dried out. I never even got to use. Hello? What happened? What happened? Really? Okay, so we're on the way to get our hair done finally. I need to hurry up because I need to go to the ATM. I forgot I needed cash. But let me show you. So I'm getting a quick weave, and this is the hair that I have always been using, and I've used this for sewing also. And even after a month, it still is pretty good. So, okay, this is where I get my hair and my nails done at. And it's 106. Oh my gosh, I look literally crazy.
Oh
my god, I forgot you vlog the same hairstyle every time.
They don't care.
Now they don't care.
Just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for free. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will.
Okay, we're gonna get one of my favorite meals, Subway. My sister's in here working, I think. No, I'll report.
Okay, they're gonna be running. You're bringing it.
Hurry up, we're gonna try to talk to you.
No.
Hey guys, so it's a new day. So I'm gonna be with my sister, and we're gonna go to a few stores and probably Ulta, and we're gonna get food. Can I get a strawberry culotta? I wish I would have got my part not like this. My head looks big.
Yeah.
The lady was like, she was like, oh, next time don't get the same style again. She's like, your forehead is not that big. Look, she put her hair like this. She was like, look, my hand's not even covering it. Oh, I didn't show you guys. These nails are old. I'm gonna try to add clips.
They definitely can't say that.
It's okay. And I'm about to play this soundtrack.
What is that?
She's too young to know what this is. You know this? Do you know it?
I was alive. I was watching the movie when it came out.
You were not! 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8. You barely knew anything in this world.
One more time.
Apple Pay? Wait. Hold on.
If you gonna say Apple Pay, you gotta have it ready. It's okay, take your time.
I forgot my card was locked.
Sorry, what?
Okay, go ahead. I think I'm ready. Did it work?
Oh, it said decline.
Hold on. Let me try it again. My card was locked.
You're not even ready. You gotta lock in, man.
Okay. Thanks. Thank you. He wanted me. Say he did it. This girl thinks nobody wants me. I swear. She will never admit that anybody in this world wants me. Even the people that actually want me. She'll be like, no, they don't want you. My forehead looks so big. Okay, so, huh?
I got mine from Little Walmart.
Oh, I don't really have that. We're in Walmart. There's a lot of people in here, so I'm trying to hurry up and get out. I should have came right when they open at 6. Oh, we need one of these. No one's gonna. I'm probably gonna be the only one that uses it. Oh my God, I got my dad an air fryer. He doesn't even use it. Oh my gosh, guys, these are cute. When I move, I wanted this. We're gonna have these. I doubt it. Basically, I'm getting these because I need to put my clothes in. So these are only $7. Oh, these are small. I need it longer. Never mind, guys. I thought I found something. Imagine this whole thing like falls on me. This whole thing, I'm gonna be injured. Okay. So this one, I see it says $12, but I'm not sure which one. Let me read the description. Oh, look. I found you one.
I think she should just get this one.
We need to do a price check on this though. I need ones for like shirts, pants, and then one for 3 is enough. We're gonna do a price check on this. Wait, what's 12 times 3? $600 for what? $62. Oh, I'm like 600. Also, when I went to Walgreens the other day, the lady did not ring me up for my toothpaste. So, I need to get toothpaste.
Get it 2 more times.
Insert cash or select payment type.
Guys, she's just getting this cup. Okay, we're at Ulta now. I need to get something to like fix my skin a little bit because my skin is looking really bad. After I got off birth control, my skin went back to normal. And normal is bad. So
Addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Trust from a distance. I think we should rule out the
y'all, I haven't seen the strawberry one. I only see the watermelon one. Okay, I think I'm gonna get this because I need to help my blackheads and acne. So we're gonna try this out. I think my sister said she's tried it and it's worked, but we're gonna see. What is that?
It's hand milk.
Let me see. Y'all, this is cool. I should have did a review on this. Okay, I'm back home and we're gonna do a little skincare, and I'm also gonna show you guys a haul. This Neutrogena Hydro Mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on while I give you guys this haul. Very juicy. Oh. So I wasn't prepared for this. Okay, so this goes on the bottom. Okay. Whew. Hope this doesn't mess up my edges. Okay. So the first thing I got is this. It's like a super loofah exfoliating washcloth. I'm gonna use to near my legs. I didn't just buy this. A regular loofah, sock mask, booty scrub, and then from Walmart I got those 3 tubs you guys seen. Toothpaste. I also got this, like I said I would. From Walgreens I got this. Just these. It only cost $1 to keep in my car. And some Carmex. I always carry it around with me. And then from the beauty supply I got these 2 things to curl my hair if I ever feel like doing that. Got a brush, edge comb, this super cute edge comb, some hard bristle brushes for when I take my hair down, and then I use these on my real hair when I'm using gel and stuff. 2 combs like this. 1 PR package. It's from Liquid IV. So this is basically just, I don't know, like I used to work at CVS, and I remember when we got Liquid IV we started selling it. So just something that we sell in the store where I used to work, they're now sending me this stuff for free, which is so crazy. So I got this one they sent me, and it's just this energy multiplier. And no, I'm gonna get back in the gym because I'm getting way too fat for my liking. This one I already tried already. It's open, and this is strawberry. And then we have one that's acai berry. I'm excited for that one. And then we have one that's passion fruit. So right now I'm gonna put this foot mask on. Let me see how long to leave it on for 20 minutes and relax. But I'm gonna cut the toe part out because I don't want to ruin my polish. I know sometimes they be so strong it ruins your polish. Completely through it. Okay, I cannot figure out how to get it on, so I just cut the top part, and then this is how it looks on my feet now. So
figure out how to work this thing. Anyway, we have reason to believe Doofenshmirtz is up to no good. And since Girlll is out, I'll have to do the visual reference myself. He's recently purchased a small tux, a silver tray, and a...
No, no.